Today I'll show you how to pad your bra cup to transform from this to this for an amazing effect. Stay tuned. So I'm going to be showing you how to make these padded bra cups. It's very hard to find most of the times, and also whenever you find them, they are not as good or they don't give you the effects as you want. So I'm going to be showing you how to make your own. You're going to be needing your bra cups, a piece of lining fabric, your needle and thread, then also be needing this stuff. I don't know how much they sell it or what it's called, but you must have seen it at the market sometime. So first off, we start by deciding how we want the cup to be placed. So we are going to be starting with the marking the bra cup. So most of the times when we have a bodice like this, when we have a basic bodice like this, most people tend to place their cup this way, just this way, how it's laid down like this. While some other people like to tilt it a little bit, and some other people like to do different ways. They even tilt it and end up cutting it. So you just decide how you end up placing your cup. I know, okay, this is the left side of my bra cup. I come here and I make the end points here, and I will just draw how I want it to be. I try not to get it to this nipple point. I just draw it this way, how I want it to be. If I should pad it this way, it's going to push up the breast upwards, and then it's going to give a better illusion than when you just pad it this way. So now I'm just taking my lining fabric and placing it on my bra cup, and I'm going to be using the needle and thread to stitch it, trying as much as possible to stitch it on the line which I have made, and also not letting the stitches pass through or begin showing at the front. So I just turned it inside out so as to get a better hold of it, and I'm now stitching it right on the line I have made. So you might be wondering why I'm not using a sewing machine. I've actually tried that before, and stitching the middle of a bra cup with a sewing machine will actually end up flattening the apex of the bra cup. So if you are actually going to be embellishing your bra cup later on, then I feel that there is no problem using the sewing machine. But if you want a smoother finish and you're not embellishing your cup at all, it's better to just use a needle and thread, just to be on a safe side and also having a smooth, well contoured bra cup. So now I'm stitching right on that line, trying as much as possible for it not to get to the front. And I'll also be stitching round the perimeter of the bra cup as well, but I'll be leaving like 2 inches allowance at the end of the stitch so as to be able to stuff the bra cup. Now I'm just stuffing up the bra cup. A little will actually go a long way. If you notice at the end, you actually notice that I put too much than actually needed. So this just shows you that a little will go a long way. Just try to compact it very well, and it's going to be really fine. I'm using something to push it in, so everything will be well compacted, and it's going to have a very nice effect too. Now I'm done stuffing and stitching up my bra cup, and here is my bra cup padded. And as you can see, like I said, I stuffed too much, so you want to reduce a little bit for yours. Once you wrap this with the fabric is meant to go with, everything will be very smooth and relaxed, and you will have the lifting action of your life. I'm going to be showing you in comparisons of when you use a bra cup and when you don't use a bra cup. A padded bra cup. Using a padded bra cup actually helps small chested people have a better lift. Here is a dress I made using this method, and it works, guys. Like, once you're done with it, you're going to really love the effects it gives. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, if you have any questions, the comment section is well open, and if you have any other suggestions on tips and tricks I can post for you to help you with this sewing journey, please don't forget to share that also in the comment section. Till we meet again, bye.